Scott Stop, The Final Prophecy, The Fall of the World and the Rise of the Chosen. By Mikhael Massa. Prophet of the Most High, Tata Nzambi. When the world forgets Africa, it forgets God. When it hates Zion, it hates the throne of the Creator. Let it be known, every soul that curses Africa, Zion, curses the Most High. Every nation that mocked the black soil of Eden, the womb of man, the heartbeat of spirit, shall taste the judgment of fire, famine, and fury. The west and the east will tremble, from the deserts of North Africa to the forests of Congo. War shall erupt, the government shall fall, the poor shall be hunted, concentration camps run by AI. Medicine turned into mind control, food turned to poison, technology turned to chains. The purge will begin, brother against brother, people against police, false prophets leading revolutions, motivational speakers who lift swords shall die by them, for they seek to fight Satan with Satan. Let them know, no war of flesh will win, only the Spirit will conquer. The sun will burn the wicked, the weather will turn mad, money will vanish, borders will close, water will be rare, people will scream for God but will find only echoes. Why? Because they denied the Most High, because they sold their souls for fame, power, and illusions. They mocked the ancestors, they mocked the truth. They love Babylon's lies, now Babylon will burn. They are witches in your family, vampires in suits, sirens in clubs, shapeshifters in church. They sit in parliaments, they run schools, they smile on screens. They say they are healers, teachers, priests, but they worship Lucifer in forests and in secret lodges. They do rituals for blood, they hunt innocent souls, they sacrifice children, they rape nature. And when they see a child of the Most High, they panic, because your light reminds them what they lost, because your presence makes their demons tremble. They know the truth, they're fallen angels. They failed in heaven, they failed on earth. Now they serve Satan because they have no way back. They gave tribute, their third eye was open, but not by the Most High. It was opened by demons, so now they see, but only darkness. They pretend to be kind, they pretend to be spiritual, but their fruit is death, and yet, here we stand. The children of Tata Nzambi do not fight with guns, we fight with rage, prayer, fire, truth, and spirit. We are like one piece, Dragon Ball, but real. Our spirit becomes flame, our word becomes lightning, our presence becomes terror to demons. Our ancestors walk with us, our shadows crush evil. When we speak, dimensions shake. When we dance, chains break. When we cry, storms rise. And when we pray, Satan flees. The ultimate prayer of the chosen ones, Minka of the Most High, voice of Kimbangu and Toko. Speak this with rhythm, with fire, with drums, with the cry of Africa. Oh Tata Nzambi, oh Tata Nzambi. Chains of Babylon, expose the lies of religion, rip the masks of politicians, tear the flesh of demons, bring down the hybrid machines. Let the wicked fall to their own tech, let the AI collapse, let the satellites blind, let the rich become poor, let the fake healers go mad, and let your chosen rise. Let us see the real world, the true face of humanity, the demons hiding in human skin, the witches who forgot they are cursed. Let them remember when they see us, we are the judgment, we are the fire, we are the seed of Nzambi. We do not fear death, we do not serve fear, we serve truth, we serve eternity. Oh ancestors, oh spirits of light, Minka, arise in me, dance in me, strike through me. This is not the end, this is the revelation. This Nza Kongo's coming back, Africa's the throne, Zion is the heartbeat, and I am the storm. I mean Congo, mean Ka Zambi.